Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI to make a to-do list. To get started, open your browser and search for Claude AI Login. From the search results, click the Claude sign-in page. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you can create one first and then continue. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Claude interface where you can begin creating your to-do list. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation, which is helpful because it gives you a clean space to enter exactly what you want. Starting a new chat can also make your request easier for Claude to understand. Now you're ready to type your prompt. In the message box, describe that you want Claude to create a to-do list for you. For example, you can type something like, make me a to-do list, study math, finish assignment, clean room, go to store. Due tomorrow. The clearer your request is, the better the results will usually be. Including your tasks directly in the prompt helps Claude organize them right away. After typing your request, click the arrow up button on the right side of the text box to send it. This tells Claude to generate your to-do list based on the instructions you entered. Then, wait a moment for the results to appear. Once Claude responds, review the list carefully. If you want the format changed or want the tasks organized differently, you can adjust the results based on what you need by refining your request in the chat. This makes the tool useful not just for creating a list, but also for shaping it into something practical for your schedule. As you write your prompt, remember to list everything you need to do. This is important because leaving out a task may result in an incomplete list. Try to include all the activities you want tracked in one place. It also helps to tell Claude if there's a deadline or a specific time. Adding timing gives the to-do list more structure and can make it more useful for planning your day or preparing for something due soon. Finally, include priority and category if needed. For example, you may want tasks grouped by school, home, or errands and labeled by importance. This can make your final to-do list easier to read and easier to act on. And that's how to use Claude AI to make a to-do list quickly and clearly.